song I got going. That way you'll get some wind.
Okay. It's windy. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
The lights down again.
What's up, man?
What up, man? That motherfucking light strip will piss me off. I done put so much, like 2 bottles of super glue on that bitch.
Base will take away. Base will move anything. All right, could you tell me your name and what's in here? Like I don't know. Go for it, man.
All right, Triston Cooper. We do the team father-son, the Suburban Bourbon build. You got 16 Scar ZVX 12s. Every set of 4s on one MD8K at 1 ohm.
Wow.
Meter stuff, we hit a 60.7 sealed at 40 hertz, and we did a 52.3 at 25.
Very nice. Whoa.
Alts and bats, we got 2 370 amp alts and a 190 AH bank of C-Max.
Wow. Are y'all still doing some tuning and tweaking on the port?
Yes, we are gonna. Today the show is just to see what she does, all that kind of stuff.
Yep.
Talk to people, whichever. But we're gonna do some shrinking and
yeah, man.
We left it open to do stuff like that with. So.
Oh yeah, always a work in progress. And you got a lot of work in this floor.
Yeah. Wood glue and sawdust, 3 gallons of epoxy,
Fiberglass.
What you name it.
Yep.
You know?
Nice job. Peak probably changed too, and I guarantee you're probably putting about 800 or 1,000 watts clamped on them subs. Just my guess.
8.
Yeah, about 800.
800.
Yeah.
A piece. That's about it.
Yeah. Well, we clamped it night before last, and it did 14,283 watts.
With all 4.
All 4? You have some high rise then.
Yeah, we got a lot of rise.
Yeah. That just gives just gives you more efficiency. But I tell you, once you dial your port in, and you would do some kind of roundover work here, and you never know, man.
Do a PVC.
Are you able to mount these regular?
No.
Or it's not deep enough?
There's 16 cubes sealed and it's 48.
We're 1.25 per sub sealed.
16 sealed.
That's not bad. That's pretty good.
48 ported.
Yeah, that's good. And it's very musical.
What's
going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the full walk around we just got of the father and son build. This is Triston and Brad's system. They've come a long way the last 2 years on this build. They have actually added some things for this video. This is from the Ruckus and Chill show in Fayetteville, North Carolina of 2021 for this demo. So be sure to give them a like as well as comment and let them know what you think about their system. So they're running 4 subs per amplifier. It was pretty impressive to see that this is only running around 700 to 800 watts RMS on these 1500 watt RMS rated Scar subs. So really efficient build. Lots of impedance rise, probably rising to 3 to 4 ohm depending on the frequency. They ran at 1 ohm and not half ohm. A lot of people run these Teramps MD8Ks down to half ohm. They have a lot of lithium power to supply as well. A lot of work improvement they still plan to do, especially like adding the roundover port. And they've added all these extra bracings on this box to hold all of the pressure for the 16 12-inch subwoofers to make this box solid to where it doesn't move anything and keep all the pressure on the body. So we're about to get to the bass demo. Thank y'all for watching. Consider subscribing for daily cardio videos and stay tuned for more videos. All right.
Big pills on.
windy.
Yeah.
Hotels on, big pills on. Gotta go hotels on.
Wow.
A little different now with embraces,
Dude,
ain't it?
it helped a lot, I'm sure.
It changed
Yeah.
everything,
Yeah.
yeah.
Your peak probably changed too, and I guarantee you're probably putting about 800 or 1,000 watts clamped on them subs. Just my guess.
Eight.
Yeah, about
It was
800.
800
Yeah.
a piece. That's about it.
Yeah, well, we clamped it night before last, and it did 14,283 watts.
With all four.
All four? You have some high rise then.
Yeah, we got a lot of rise.
Yeah. That just gives
Cheech and Chong,
that
baby.
just gives you more efficiency. But I tell you, once you dial your port in,
Yeah.
and you would do some kind of roundover
Right,
work here,
right, yep.
and
Yeah,
you
we're
never
gonna-
know,
we're gonna
man.
do a PVC.
Are you able to mount these regular,
No.
or is not deep enough?
There's
No,
there's
they deep
16
enough.
cubes sealed and it's 48
We're 1.25 per sub sealed.
16 sealed
That's
and
not bad.
48
That's pretty good.
48 quarter.
Yeah, that's good. It is very musical.
Very
awesome.
musical.
Thank you very much,
Very.
man. What was your name?
Tristan.
Tristan and Brad's build, team father son. All right. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.